Hey guys, welcome back to English2Flow. I'm Emma.
And I'm James. Hello, everyone.
James, today's topic is small.
But very powerful.
Yes, one simple question,
But big confusion.
and that question is...
Tell me about yourself. The most common and most scary question.
James, I think this question is everywhere.
Yes, Emma. Interview, school, college.
Even when you meet new people.
Exactly.
But still, people get nervous.
Very nervous.
Why?
Because they don't know what to say.
Or they think too much.
Yes. Overthinking kills confidence.
Let's go inside the mind.
Deep talk.
When someone asks this question,
Brain says,
what should I say?
is my English correct?
What if I make mistake?
What if they judge me?
And result?
Silence.
So today,
We remove this fear.
step by step,
With examples.
with practice.
And little fun.
First, understand the question.
Very important.
Tell me about yourself does not mean,
Tell your full life story.
yes, no need to say,
I was born in 2002.
keep it short
Clear?
and relevant.
That's it.
James, tell the formula again.
Yes, Emma. Name, place, work, goal.
Simple and powerful.
Use this everywhere.
Let's start with very simple answer.
Beginner level.
Example.
Hello, my name is Rahul. I am from Patna. I am a student. I want to improve my English.
Perfect for beginners.
No pressure.
Okay, guys, now your turn.
Repeat after us.
I am
from,
a.
I want to.
Good job.
Very easy.
Now let's improve it.
Add small details.
Example.
Hello, my name is Rahul. I am from Patna. I am currently a college student. I am learning English and I want to improve my communication skills.
That sounds more natural.
Yes, still simple.
James, let's talk about mistakes.
Yes, Emma.
Most common mistake?
Myself, Rahul.
Wrong.
Correct. My name is Rahul.
Another one, James.
Tell me.
I am belong to Delhi.
Wrong.
Correct. I am from Delhi.
Emma, one more funny.
Yes.
Someone said, I am doing job in Google, but in dream. Keep it real, guys.
Now let's make it confident.
More natural flow.
Example.
Hello, my name is Rahul. I am from Patna. I am currently a college student. I am learning English and I want to improve my communication skills.
That sounds more natural.
Yes, still simple.
Sorry, James.
Yes, Emma.
Now tell me, what is the biggest mistake?
Biggest mistake is not speaking.
Exactly.
Silence is worst answer.
Guys, listen carefully.
Very important.
You don't need perfect English.
You need clear structure and little confidence.
Practice is key.
Yes, daily practice.
Speak in front of mirror.
Or record your voice.
Or talk to yourself.
Yes, I still do that.
Let's do quick practice.
Good idea.
Repeat after me.
I am learning English.
I want to speak confidently.
I am improving every day.
Very good.
Easy and powerful.
Interview time.
Pressure.
What will you say?
Hello, sir. My name is Rahul. I am from Patna. I am a graduate. I am learning English and I want to improve my communication skills.
Good confidence.
New class. New people.
Nervous.
Speak simple. Hi, everyone. I am Rahul. I am from Patna. I am a student. I like learning new things and I want to improve my English.
Friendly and easy. Meeting a new friend.
Chill mood. Hey, I am Rahul. I am from Patna. I am a student. I am trying to improve my English these days.
Very natural.
Let's go deep.
Okay. Why people still fear?
Because they want perfect answer.
Yes.
But perfection is not needed.
Clarity is enough.
Emma, say one strong line.
Okay. Simple English plus confidence equals powerful communication.
Wow.